Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to be transforming this old pair of jeans into a Denim Maxi skirt. As you can see, the before and the after. I know you love what you're seeing, so kindly watch to the end. The first thing we're going to do is to open the inner part of the trouser just like I did, and then we're going to start with the back part. The next thing we're going to do is flip it to the back and cut all through because the waist is a little bit big for me. So once we're done with that, you just turn it inside out. I used a pin and a ruler to pin it down and create a straight line. We're going to be working with a straight line here. Once you're done with that, you sew along that straight line where you pin down. Just sew. You can use a marker or a chalk, anything, just to draw your straight line. So once you're done with that, we're going to be working with the front part too. Okay guys, once we're done sewing, we're going to cut out the excess parts, then we flip it inside out to work on the front part. For the front part, we're going to have to cut it a bit more, and then we start adjusting to our taste. Just do it the way I did and sew it, and then we're done. We're going to love the outcome. It's really that simple, very simple to do. Guys, this is the finished look. This is how it's looking like. It's really looking good. You can style it any way you want. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell notification to update you on when next I post a video. Thank you.